In general, fillers fall into three main categories: temporary fillers, semi-permanent fillers, and permanent fillers. Which one you want to choose as a patient is really dependent on what you want to accomplish. What are some natural dermal fillers? Fillers are generally used to eliminate the wrinkles and furrows of the face and can also be used to add volume of the face, all of which are used to restore a more youthful facial appearance. There are many different types of fillers for patients to choose from, and the best way to figure out which filler to use is really to talk with a board-certified surgeon. In general, fillers fall into three main categories: temporary fillers, semi-permanent fillers, and permanent fillers. Which one you want to choose as a patient is really dependent on what you want to accomplish. There are many natural fillers that can be used, including hyaluronic acid, such as Restylane and Juvederm, which are generally longer lasting fillers, but they are temporary. There are some permanent fillers as well. The most natural one is fat, where we can take fat from your own body and inject it in areas of the face in order to provide more volume and also to eliminate wrinkles. These natural fillers generally have very low complications and risks and are very well tolerated and accepted by your body. Therefore, many times they're done in the office, but can also be done in an operating room as well.